Welcome back to Market Pros, and let's get to it. So we got Bitcoin here on the 8 hour. So if we do make this a high, right here we will have bearish divergence. We are above the signal line. We are trying to test the bullish control zone. So we'll see if we can get in it this time. If we can get in it, that'll invalidate this bearish divergence. Volatility is low. So the next move should be pretty nice. MACD on the 8 hour. Fresh cross to the upside. Positive momentum is increasing. So on the 8 hour, and your moving averages all have crossovers right here, which is one of my signals. So that's a good sign. We did come back down, bounce off the 21. So yeah, I mean, on the 8 hour, we look pretty bullish as long as we don't get this bearish divergence. And even if we do, this was a higher high on this. So we're still short term in an uptrend. So another good thing for the bulls. So let's see, on the 4 hour, we are in the bullish control zone, and we do have 2 drives of bearish divergence. So I wouldn't be surprised if we do come back down to the 21, unless we can get that RSI above there. We haven't necessarily made a high just yet. So we need to get this RSI back above there, or this bearish divergence will roll over into the 8 hour. Volatility, lower zone, coming back up though. Like on the 8 hour, we will have a pretty good move this next time. Fresh cross to the upside. Positive momentum is increasing on the MACD for the 4 hour. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, we do have a high. Let's see here. Let's see if they're at the same level. Okay, so it's slightly higher. So which means we do not have bearish divergence on the 1 hour. So hopefully we can get this RSI into the bullish control zone. That rolls over to the 1 hour or the 4 hour, and then to the 8 hour. That's if you're a bull, of course. Volatility is very high. So if we can, let me see here. Okay, so yeah, we got to get back above this high, and that'll get us in the bullish control zone on the other time frames. So validation of a bullish case would be 43.50 basically, or we can say 43 on a 4 hour closure. Validation of the downside would be a breakage of this purple region down below 42,200. If that happens, I would expect us to come down to the 21, maybe even the 50, but I honestly think the 21 would hold. Your moving averages do all have bullish crossovers, so I'm about 70% bullish right now. So yeah, those are my thoughts. Everyone have a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, and I will see you in the next one.